everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to make another brush pens painting, and here I'm using my favorite black alcoholic marker which I always use in making borders or drawing when I have to use water based any paints or any sketch pens, because it is waterproof. And here I am drawing a beautiful little flower, and I'm going to extend it one by one by making more layers of it. So let's just do this. Just try to be slow while doing this so that you will take time, and by taking your time you will avoid mistakes. So let's learn how we can make this beautiful abstract brush pen painting with warm and cool colors. Similarly, you can make your another drawing for the cool colors also. Here I am using my brush pens. Again, I'm telling you, these colors I'm using for the first time, and this is my only second painting I'm doing with this brush pens, and we're going to use our watercolor techniques. And as we are doing here the warm color first, I'm using my yellow, orange and red color, and you can relate your warm colors with the sun colors. It's all yellow, orange and red tones. After applying your color with brush pen, we will spread the color with the help of water and brush, and by following the same technique we're going to fill our complete flower. As you can see here, I have started in the center with the yellow, orange and then third is red, and we will repeat these three colors one by one again and again. And after applying these colors we will apply water to spread them. So let's just watch it carefully so that we won't do any mistakes. And one more tip I want to give here, I have seen my many children using these brush pens, and they were using it very harshly. They were giving a lot of pressure while moving the brush pens on the surface or sheet. So if you want your brush pens to last for longer, I would suggest you to apply them very smoothly or just glide them on your sheet. And for that you can use an ivory sheet because its texture is smooth comparing to other cartridge sheets, as I'm using here an ivory sheet. So let's just complete our all the layers of flower. going to fill our cool colors flower. Let's see which shades I'm going to use and how I'm going to do it. So let's just say it very quickly. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for watching more videos like this, and I'm gonna bring a lot of new interesting videos for you. If you are a student, that will help you in completing your art and craft curriculum syllabus also. And you can suggest me what video you want me to next with which medium, and you can comment me. I will definitely consider it and do something for you. And thank you so much everyone for so much of love. I have reached more than 800 followers till now, and I want your love more to reach my goal to help all the students with the all curriculum of art and craft. And let's just complete this watercolor brush pens painting. And in this I have used blue, sky blue, I have used green and purple. Thank you everyone for watching the video.